In this video, we'll be solving a question on Cartesian set products in probability. And we are given a question here. Given the set, the values for A1 is this, the values for A2 is this, and the value for A3 is this. So how do we multiply or find the product for the Cartesian set? Now, we have A1 multiplied by A2 multiplied by A3. How do we multiply the Cartesian set? This is what we do. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. Solution. So we move over to this side of the board to compute the first one. Number one, we have A1 multiplied by A2 multiplied by A3. So what is the Cartesian set product? A1 multiplied by A2 multiplied by A3. A1, A2, A3. So we have 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 5. We have 0, 4, 5, 0, 4, 5. We have 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. We also have 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5. And we have 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, and 5. So this is what we get for multiplying A1, A2, A3 using the Cartesian products. Now we also have for the second question, multiply A1, A3, and A2. Number 2, A1, A3, and A2. So the first thing to do, A1, A3, and A2. So this comes before this. So we have 0, 5, 3, 0, 5, 3, 0, 5, 4, 0, 5, 4. We have 1, 5, 3, 1, 5, 3. We have 1, 5, 4, 1, 5, 4. We have 2, 5, 3, 2, 5, 3. We also have 2, 5, 4. 2, 5, 4. So this for this. Number 3, we are asked to multiply A2, A1, A3. That means A2, A1, A3. So this comes before this and then this. So we have A2 multiplied by A1 and multiplied by A3, which is equal to 2, 1, and 3. So we have 3, 0, 5, 3, 0, 5. We have 3, 1, 5, 3, 1, 5. We have 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, 5. We also have This is on 405, 405. We have 415, 415. We have 4 2 sorry 415, 425. We have 4 2 and 5. Number 4, we have A2, A3, A2, A2, A3, and A2, A2, A3, and A2. So we have 3 and 4 again. So we have 3, 5, 3, 3, 5, 3. We have 3, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4. So we have 3, 5, 3. Then we have 3, 5, 4. Then we have 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3. And we have 4, 5, 4. We have 4, 5, and 4. 3, 5, 3, 3, 5, 4. We have 4, 5, 3, and 4, 5, 4 for this. So this is what we get for A1, for number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. This is how we can compute the Cartesian product for A1, A2, A3, A1, A3, A2, A2, A1, A3, A2, A3, A2. So we move over to this side of the board to look for A3, A1, A2. So we have to clean the whole of this to get A3, A1, A2. So we have to delete this because we've gotten this. Now we have A3, A1, A2. That means A3, A1, A2. So A3, A1, A2. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. Now, how do we compute A3, A1, A2? A3, A1, A2. So we have 503, 503, 503, 504, 504. We have 513, 513. We have 514, 514. We have 523, 523. And we have 524. We have 5, 2, and 4. So this is how we can compute A3, A1, A2. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. And lastly, we are to look for A3, A2, A1. A3, A2, A1. A3, A2, A1. So we have to delete this. Number 6. So this is number 5. Number 6. A3, A2, and A1. So we have to delete this. A3, A2, and A1. So we draw our curly bracket, then we write A3, A2, and A1. So 530, 530, 531, 531, 532, 532. We also have 540, 540, 541, 541, and 542. 542. So this is how we can compute the Cartesian set product for any given values. For any given values, it is quite simple. This is how we can compute them for any given values. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.